Hello and welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel, where we share tips and tricks in just a minute.
Hello guys, this is How to Solve, and now I am going to teach you how to add a follow button in your Facebook profile. So if you want to make your add friend into a follow tab, then you have to make two settings in your Facebook profile. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Facebook account. After logging in, click on these three lines which you can see on the upper right corner. Now scroll down and you'll find settings and privacy. Now click on settings. After that, click on profile settings. And in here, under privacy, you will find options, and then click on privacy. And then which you can control who can add friend, contact, and view your profile. So click on that. Now scroll down and you will find how people find and contact you. And under that, you can see who can send you friend requests. Now click on that and make that friends of friends. Now that is the first settings. Now for the second settings, let's go back to the settings, and under privacy, you can see public post. Now click on that. And who can follow me? Now make it public. Who can see your followers on your timeline, make it that public. Public post comments, make that public. Public post notifications, make it everyone. And public profile info, make that public. Now that is the second settings. Now let's see if that works. Now we're back on our profile and let's click on these three dots and click view as. Now as we can see, now it's a follow button.
Please like and subscribe for more content, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. We'll see you next time.